In today's Fusion 360 moment, we're going back to the basics and learning how to extrude. First up, you want to make your square. I like to go 50 millimeters by 50 millimeters as always. Once this is done, you want to press E on your keyboard. That is the hotkey for extrude. Easy way to remember it is E for extrude. Then you can press the arrow and pull it up, or you can type in the number you want. You can make it symmetric. You can go both sides, so you can like pull it up and down on both sides, or you can make it just one-sided. Also, you can do like cut it out of a different body, or you can make it like a container with the thin extrude settings. I'll get into more in depth and like what everything else does in later videos. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow.